मौसम अच्छा है। वो देखो फॉरेनर आई हुई है कहीं से।
How are you?
Thailand.
Thailand. Oh. So here there is a holy whale.
That's what it says in the Quran.
Yeah. तो भाई ये इनके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा स्पाइसी रोल ऑर्डर किया है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम यार, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग अनदर डे ऑफ माय लाइफ। तो यार जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरा गला ख़राब है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आज निकला हुआ हूँ वीडियो बनाने के, व्लॉग बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि मेरा कज़न आया हुआ है मसरूर हैदराबाद से। कहाँ चले बताओ?
चलते हैं।
तो भाई चलते हैं सी व्यू। तो ये अभी आ गए हम सी व्यू पे, और ये रहा मसरूर। मसरूर कैसा लग रहा है?
मौसम अच्छा है। वो देखो फॉरेनर आई हुई है कहीं से।
वो देखी मैंने वहाँ से गाड़ी से।
तुम्हारे साथ होनी चाहिए, इसको घुमा के दिखाओ।
मैं हर फॉरेनर को मैं घुमाऊँ?
जिसको घुमा के दिखाओ। वो बेचारी पता नहीं कैसे अकेली खड़ी हुई है, कोई है भी नहीं लगता है।
होंगे, क्यों नहीं होंगे?
यार एक सेल्फी लेके दो।
तुम्हें लेनी है, तुम लो ना जाके। मैं घुमा के भी दिखा सकता हूँ, सेल्फी नहीं, बस घुमा के भी दिखाता हूँ। तो ये मसरूर को फ़ोन दे दिया मैंने, अब मैं जा रहा हूँ फॉरेनर से बात करने, देखते हैं कि वो क्या बोलती है। हेलो, हाय, how are you? How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Yeah, good. I'm a vlogger, Yusuf Laco. What are you doing here?
Um,
You're not from here, right?
No, yeah, I'm just traveling. This is my first time in Karachi. Checking out these horses on the
Yeah,
beach.
3,000 scam.
He said 300.
Okay, otherwise they asked for like 3,000.
Should I do
Okay.
it?
I mean, like if you want to go.
Oh, he said 3,000. He said 300 at first. 3,000. No. See, it's 300. Pakistani are honest people.
So we are hanging out. Like, do you want to go with us?
Where are you guys going?
We're going to this temple nearby. Would you like to go there?
Sure. I have nothing to do.
What about the horse?
I'll come back for the horse. I'll be here for a couple of days.
Okay, let's go. By the way, this is my cousin. He actually gave me this dare to go and talk to you.
Hi,
You know?
cousin.
How are you?
Yeah,
I'm good.
he just wanted a selfie, but I said no. I'll take her to go with us.
Let's go. I'm looking for friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So you're in the vlog. What's up?
Hi, what's up? We're gonna
Yeah.
go on an adventure.
What's your name, by the way?
My name is Spirit.
Spirit. Ah, good name. You're from Korea?
Thailand.
Thailand. Oh, wow. Okay, I've been to Thailand.
Nice.
You live in Bangkok?
Uh-huh.
I've been to Bangkok also. He has also been to Bangkok. He's again going to Bangkok.
Very wonderful city.
Yeah, it's good.
Congested.
It's dangerous?
No, congested.
Oh,
You know?
congested.
Yes.
We were stuck in traffic when we were in Bangkok.
Yeah, we were stuck there for like hours. Yeah, like our bus was like even slower than the pedestrians.
Kind of like Karachi, right?
I think it was even more congested in Karachi. What do you think?
You know, I haven't traveled yet enough. By the beach is not too bad.
Yeah.
The beach is better, but the rest is a little bit slow.
Congested. So we are going to temple. Have you been to temple before?
What kind of temple?
It's a Hindu temple.
Yeah, in India I have. I just came from India, across the Wagah border, Amritsar into Lahore. It was an amazing adventure.
Okay, so what do you think? Like if you compare India and Pakistan, do they have any similarities?
There is some similarities. The energy is quite similar. And some of the food is similar too. You know, some of the spice flavor. People wear the kurta also. A lot of hospitality. Both Pakistan and Indian.
Yeah.
A lot of hospitality.
तो फिर चलते हैं हम टेंपल में। हमें जाना नहीं था, इसको ऐसे ही बोल दिया कि हाँ उधर चलते हैं, तो बस चलते हैं हम। तो यार हमारा प्लान थोड़ा चेंज हो गया, हम उधर नहीं जा रहे पोर्ट ग्रेंड वाली टेंपल में, हम बस इधर आ गए, ये अब्दुल्ला शाह गाजी। सो वी आर हियर एट अब्दुल्ला शाह गाजी।
Let's go.
या हैव यू एवर बीन टू अ प्लेस लाइक दिस बिफोर?
Maybe.
विल फाइंड आउट। या तो अभी हम ये अंदर जा रहे हैं, स्प्रेड वहाँ से जा रही है, हम लोग यहाँ से जा रहे हैं। So now what do you think of the place?
It's beautiful. I love the geometry on the mosaics.
Yeah,
It's very gorgeous.
our cultural, yeah.
What is this place though?
You know, a saint's resting place where people come to wish for something from the saint. Yeah, the saint's name was Abdullah Shah Ghazi. He's buried here. People will come and wish for a son or a car.
I'm gonna wish for world peace and the end of imperialism.
Okay, I hope your wish get granted. तो अभी हम यहाँ आ गए ऊपर, और रिकॉर्ड करना अलाउ है नहीं। स्पिरिट को बोल दिया कि हाँ तुम रिकॉर्ड कर सकती हो। अभी मैंने ये कैमरा उसको दिया हुआ है ताकि वो रिकॉर्ड ये करे। Here she is. Yeah. Did you wish something?
I did wish something.
You did?
Yes, and it's just for me to love myself.
Oh,
Yeah.
you were going to wish for peace.
Yeah. Changes, you know, we're all connected. Loving yourself is the will to love others as well.
Okay. तो अभी हम नीचे भी आ गए। Roam around or just go from here? What do you say?
I follow you.
Or if you follow me. There's also, you know, back there something. So maybe like if we are here, so let's go see there.
Okay.
Then we can go. So here there is a holy well where like people come and drink water from it. Like they said that if you have any kind of disease, it will get treated.
Good thing I'm thirsty.
Yeah, but no, I will not recommend drinking it.
Oh.
Yeah, people drink it, but it's mostly the salt water from the sea.
Have you ever drank it?
I think yeah, in the childhood, yeah. This is it. Yeah, this is the whale. It's covered. Yeah, no, we cannot drink it.
It's too far.
It's too far.
It's too far. And what do you think? Like, can you drink that water? तो ये यहाँ का पानी पीना चाह रही है, तो इनको पिलाते हैं ऊपर. और वो कुएं का पानी यहाँ पे ये पीना चाह रही है बाहर से. You will have to drink.
Oh, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
He's saying that sit here and then drink.
That's what it says in the Quran.
Yeah. How's it?
I feel healed.
How's the taste?
Normal.
Is it salty?
No, it's not that salty. I like the clay. It makes the water taste good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Finished?
Shukriya.
Okay.
Yes,
चलो, शुक्रिया.
And I'm-
अरे ये तो अभी स्प्रिट आ गई बैठ के आगे बैठ गई. What about the police? Like, they will not allow you.
What? I have international driver license.
Oh, you do? I hope you don't send us directly to heaven.
No. Only God will know.
Yeah, spirit ना निकाल दे. Did you understand?
No, yeah, explain to me.
I said this. Oh, hopefully, spirit don't take us our spirits out.
No, of course not.
Yeah. तो अभी हम खाना खाने भी जा रहे हैं. मेरे कजन ने से पूछा कि KFC खाने चलते हैं. So he asked you about KFC. Why you don't want to go to KFC?
Because we boycott these mainstream corporations
Yeah.
for the liberation of Gaza, for the BDS movement, but also for everything it stands for. We like to support small mom and pop shops so they can thrive. And also, I don't know what they put in that shit.
Okay, we'll not eat KFC. But you eat chicken, right?
Yeah, I'll eat anything, but I prefer chicken.
You also eat other things like they eat in Thailand.
Yeah, I eat all those things.
You do? Oh, ये तो driving अच्छी कर रही है. How many years you have been driving for?
Since 18, and I'm 30, so that's like 12 years.
12. You know, like since what age I'm driving?
2?
12.
12, wow.
Yeah. You're the first foreigner who is I've seen here driving.
Yeah, make me go viral. Make me go.
Yeah.
Let's bring the foreigners. Let them drive. No, just kidding.
Okay, what do you want to try?
So I like spicy, and I like the way that Pakistanis spice their food.
Or also we can get a biryani.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's get biryani.
See, perfect. Huh? Perfect.
Oh, okay.
What was that? What was that?
अभी क्या order किया आपने?
Beef chutney with a lot of spice.
I'm so excited.
Chicken chutney और 3 बिहारी रेशमी कबाब.
तो भाई ये इनके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा spicy roll order किया है. Yeah, we'll see if you can eat.
We'll see if it's
We, I have also told him that put extra spice.
I'll give a review at the end.
तो ये आ गया हमारा खाना.
Smells good. Oh my god.
Now try it and tell me.
It's really good. It's not that spicy, but it's really good. Really good.
उसको मैंने
It
बोला
tastes
है कि
really
यार
good.
जितना स्पाइसी है ना उससे भी ज़्यादा स्पाइसी बनाना. फिर भी इसको स्पाइसी नहीं लग रहा. यह जो थाईलैंड से तो वहाँ पे ज़्यादा स्पाइस खाते हैं इसलिए. मैं तो यार ये अपना नॉर्मल खा रहा हूँ तो मुझे इसमें ही स्पाइस लग रहा है. इसको तो मैंने एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी करके दिया फिर भी स्पाइसी नहीं लगे. What is the spiciest thing you have tried?
There's some Thai dishes that are really spicy.
तो खाना हमने खा लिया. अभी हम जा रहे हैं टेराजा पे. मेरे कज़न को शीशा पीना है तो वहाँ पे हम चल रहे हैं. So how was the food spread?
Really good. I really enjoyed the beef roll
Okay. Have you tried the roll before?
in California. Fremont, there's this restaurant. I forget the name of it, but it's a similar roll like that.
There's this thing which is something similar to roll.
Burrito?
Burrito, yeah, burrito.
Yeah, that's a Mexican dish.
Maybe you can say like they're both siblings.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So here we are at Teraza. तो ये भाई शीशा मंगा लिया मसरूर ने. शीशे को लगा हुआ है. What do you think? How's it?
Oh, I haven't done shisha in a while, but this one, 5 stars.
कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा.
ओके भाई तो अभी बस हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं और स्प्रिट को भी अपने होटल पे छोड़ रहे हैं. So Sprit, how was the day?
Today was so fun, so unexpected, you know. I just got in the car and we went around town.
And no, also let me tell you, I already knew him. मैं कोई ना ऐसे कोई नहीं करना चाहता स्क्रिप्टेड या कुछ भी. ये छोटा सा मजाक कर लिया आपने. कैमरा में हाथ हिला दे. I already knew her from internet and then we met today and spent the day and inshallah we will meet again. Yeah.
Yes, in Thailand.
In Thailand,
Or I
yeah.
come back here, who love Pakistan.
You do?
Yes.
तो भाई बस ये था आज का See you another day 5 PM on YouTube.
मुझे
Bye-bye.
तुमसे प्यार है.